And the race is on Scarab from the outside. It's Scarab. And moving up is entry number 6, Small Star. It's Scarab, the little Small Star, Speed Bullet, Real Thunder down on the inside. And rising up by the dashing Mokai. Entry number 3, Speedy Kim. Entry number 8, Strong Boy, second last. And Dugu's favorite is the early trader. Iskara by some 4 lengths, followed by Speed Bullet, a Small Star Mokai from the outside, Real Thunder, a Strong Boy racing from the outside, and rounding the far turn, Skara by some 4 lengths, Speed Bullet, Strong Boy racing from the outside, Moltar Mokai, another far turn, Skara, Strong Boy moving up on the outside, Speed Bullet, and Mokai Small Star Speedy Kim as they race the final corner. Strong Boys now the leader, Scarab, and rushing up Speed Bullet by Daryl Mokai, and on the outside Speedy Kim, and nearing the finish line, Strong Boy by some 5 lengths now, Speedy Kim, Mokai and Scarab, and finally Strong Boy. Speedy Kim, Scarab close, Dugu's favorite, Small Star and Mokai.
Strong Boy, proving to be the strongest. Parang pinapa to eh.